Exciting times, folks. James Murden here, and I've just taken delivery of the uStream 1 from Mitchell Acoustics. I'm really excited about these because the background to the brand is audio engineering, product design, real experts in the audio industry, and that's really important when you're choosing a new set of speakers. These are true wireless Bluetooth speakers. There are two of them in the box, and they use the same sort of technology that AirPods do. So you pair your phone or your tablet or your laptop or your smart TV or whatever your audio source is with this, and then the speakers pair to each other wirelessly. So finally, we've got true Bluetooth stereo speakers. You could put them at either sides of the living room, or maybe one in the kitchen, one in the dining room, wherever you might want to put them. And whatever your music source is, whether it's just YouTube or Spotify or Deezer, Apple Music, using Bluetooth, you will pair to these, and with a 30-foot range, you are promised to enjoy fantastic stereo sound without a cable between the speakers. Should we set them up? Let's take a look. So let's open the box and see what we have. That's rare with tech nowadays, an actual user guide on top. That could come in handy, but let's see how we get on with these. Very, very well protected inside the box. There are our two speakers. Quite heavy, but that's good when it comes to audio. You don't want lightweight speakers. That's probably cables in there. And at the bottom, a couple of UK plugs. There they are, our two speakers. Quite deep, but that's good because it promises quite a rich sound from what I've read so far. Look at that lovely glossy piano black finish. They do come in white as well, but I love the black. And look at the connectivity on the back here. So we've got our power socket, we've got an optical, we've got auxiliary, we've got USB, and a line in right and left as well. So that's really, really handy. They look fantastic. They look premium. There's the controls on the top there for power and pairing. I love how shiny these are. They're going to look amazing on a bookshelf, and that lovely branded front part there. Lots of cables inside here. We've got the adapters, we've got the auxiliary, and a European plug goes inside the UK adapter like that. Let's pop the power in the back of each speaker. Put one in the right one as well. And plug them in to the wall. Perfect. So remember, there's no cables going from speaker to speaker. We'll just switch them both on. Let's pair them up. Press and hold that for 3 seconds to switch on.
Power on. Bluetooth.
That's good. Talks to you. Oh, straight into pairing mode. That's good.
Power on. Bluetooth.
Perfect. So now we're going to press and hold this button to pair them together.
Connecting to speaker 2.
And this should happen by itself.
Speaker 2 connected.
Oh, that was easy. Great. So now the speakers are paired with each other. I'm going to use my iPad for this. So we'll go to Bluetooth, search for devices, select the uStream 1, and it should connect.
Connecting to Bluetooth. Connected.
Simple as that. So we are paired up. So remember, they are separate speakers, each with a power cable, but no cable from speaker to speaker. Let's test them out. Let's hit play. Wow. That sounds amazing. Let's turn it up a bit. The remote control is in the box. Let's crank it up a bit. That is such a deep, rich, clear sound. I'm going to turn it down a bit so I can actually talk over the top of it. Genuinely, I am blown away by that. The quality, I would expect to have paid a lot more for these speakers. They sound amazing. And I love you can also pair them with your Amazon Echo or your Google Home and nominate it as your speaker. So if you're into your smart home stuff, they are perfect for that as well. Well, I think it's safe to say I absolutely love the uStream from Mitchell Acoustics. I love how they look. I love how easy they are to set up. But most importantly, I love how they sound. The audio reproduction, the full range sound is just room filling. It's very hard to get that across on a video, but genuinely you will be so impressed when you first play that piece of music. It's haunting in terms of how accurate that sound quality is. Just remember, when you first switch them on and you get them paired up, that sound level is set on the speakers at around about half, I think. So bump that volume up on the remote control, as well as having the control from your device. So obviously you'd adjust the volume on your phone or your tablet or your laptop, but you need to make sure the speakers have got the volume up as well before you do that. I absolutely love them. I love that they've got all the connectivity you need. Bluetooth, I can see why most people would use that because lots of us will use YouTube or Spotify or any of our music streaming services. And actually, you can pay a lot more for 2 speakers you might want to put in separate areas of the downstairs in your home. And in my opinion, these absolutely rival those. And if you love music or you want to enjoy music at home without those horrible, messy cables from speaker to speaker, which means everyone at home will approve too, I would seriously give these a try, see what you think. I am really impressed.